everybody, it's Kim. I'm coming to you this evening with another fabric destash. I'm continuing to purge and find things in my craft room that I need to get rid of to make more room. So I'm going to go smaller quantities to larger for this one. So give me just a second. Okay, so we're going to start out. We've got this blue and white tie-dye, and I would say there's half a yard of this. So I'll do $2 for this piece. And then this really cute pastel pink monkey fabric. You can see it's got a texture to it. And this one actually says what it is. This one is Monkey Fun by Donna Molo. So I would say there's a half a yard of that. So we'll say $2 for that one as well. And then there's quite a lot of this. It's an ivory color, and you can see it's got the threads showing. And there's probably 2 yards of this. So I'm going to say $4 for that piece. And then we've got two different Wonder Woman prints from DC Comics. We've got about a yard and a half of the Wonder Woman with the primary colors. You can see that one. And then we've got a yard and a half of the Wonder Woman with the purple and pinks. So we'll say $3 each for the Wonder Woman pieces. And then we've got a huge piece here of the Disney Princess. You can see that, you can see some people there. Let me see. There's another princess here. There's some more down here. They're all on here. And this is really, really sheer. I'll stick my hand behind one layer of it. You can see how sheer it is. So there's got to be at least 2 yards of this. So I'm going to say $4 for this Disney Princess's pink sheer piece. And then the final grouping is Raggedy Ann and Andy, and I have quite a bit of this. So there's small pieces of this one. And it's not showing on camera, but it's almost like a tea dye on the stripes. So there's probably about a quarter yard of that one. And then we've got probably about half a yard of the Raggedy and Ann and Andy with the hearts. It's the red with the writing. Then we've got about a half a yard of the Raggedy Andy white with the red writing and hearts. And then we've got white with the blue. This is probably like a quarter yard of this one that says Raggedy Ann and Andy, the white with the blue writing. And then we've got quite a bit of this print. This is probably a yard of this print. And you'll see this repeated in another fabric coming up. And all this Raggedy Ann and Andy fabric is vintage. Then you're going to see this. There's probably about a yard of this. And this is what it looks like opened up. You can see it's got Raggedy Ann and Andy on it, and it's got some of those prints. It's kind of like a block pattern. Okay, and then we've got, this is almost like a fleece, or a flannel. And it's also got the block prints. It's the same as the fabric I just showed you, the same pattern, but it's like a fleece. And then we've got a little bit, maybe a quarter yard of this one that says Raggedy Ann and Andy, and it says, "Things are sweeter when shared with a friend." Super cute. And then we've got quite a lot of this one, probably 2 yards of this one, of this print. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different Raggedy Ann and Andy vintage fabrics, and quite a lot. There's probably 6 yards total in here. So I'm going to ask for $15 for the Raggedy Ann and Andy vintage fabric, and then the prices that I discussed for all the other ones. So you can comment below if you'd like to order those, or I will put the link to my email, or I'll put my email address in the description link below. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night. Bye-bye.